So alright, let's go through this CMakeLists.txt file step by step. So first we have CMake minimum required, which we are telling CMake that our project requires at least version 3.10. The second line tells sets a new policy behavior related to how CMake file finds packages. So basically it enables a modern way of locating dependencies through environment variables like OpenCV dir. Next, we define our project name in version and languages which we defined for now C and C++. And another is set CMake CSX standard, where we have specified the version for our C++. And there is the line which standard required, where we are telling our compiler to throw an exception if it doesn't follow the standard required for C++ 17 version. So there is, like, if our platform is Android where this code will be executing, then like we have set the OpenCV path to point to the Android SDK, which is built for OpenCV. So I have externally downloaded that and install it, and it is saved in this directory, and make sure there is, like, this is the path. And there is like find packages OpenCV required, which tells we have to like find the package. If it's not found, CMake will stop with an error. Essentially, it ensures that OpenCV is available before proceeding. So we have till now another line. There is add library. This tells to create a shared library named demo library using two source file, demo libraries.c main.cpp, and then we have set some properties for that library. Public header defines the header file that should be installed and exported alongside the library, and output name gives us the final name for compile library name. So this will be the name for like when we export this library. So next we specify the directories for our compiled library. So this tells the compiler where to find header files for our OpenCV during the build. We mark it as private because only this target needs them. So moving on, there's another Android specific block. This tells the share C++ runtime library. That's basically the C++ library used on liv C++ share.sh file. So now we link to everything together. Here's we are linking the OpenCV libraries, the Android log library, and the CPP runtime. We also defined a compiled time symbol. This adds this macro called .library that shared live that can be used inside the C++ code. For example, to conditionally compile certain parts when building a shared library for Dart or Flutter integration that we will be using in another Dart file. And finally, there's one more Android specific flag. So this is a linker option that sets the maximum memory pages to 16 KB. It's sometimes used to deal with performance or memory constraints. So in short, this CMakeList.txt scripts build a shared C++ library compatible with both desktop and Android, sets up OpenCV, and handle a platform-specific linking neatly.